Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I package my nails. So the first thing I do is take my label that I made with my Cricut. If you guys want to know how to use a Cricut and how to make labels with them, just let me know in the comments below. So I just go ahead and peel off the vinyl, which is super satisfying. And oh my gosh, you guys. So I've tried using the transfer paper because I'm such a genius and did not realize that peeling off a sticker from a cardboard box is going to rip off the cardboard. So I have to do it like this. Like, I can't use any transfer paper to just stick them on the boxes. I have to do it by hand. So give me a thumbs up just for doing that. This is a lot of work. All right, here we go. The good thing about this is that you can actually like peel it up very carefully if you mess it up. But look at that. Look at that. I did it so good for y'all. No problems. But trust me, I do have my issues and I have to like peel it back up sometimes and do it over again. But I did it really good on camera. Okay, so now I'm packing up my application kits. Every order of nails comes with an application kit, and they get an alcohol wipe, cuticle pusher, nail file, and glue. And you can have your application kit sold separately. That's just what I do. So, yep, they have everything they need to put their nails on as soon as they open the box. And this person actually ordered a Jazzie Nailz card tag as well. And y'all get your card tags because you know you'd be struggling trying to get your card out of the ATM. So go ahead and get those. They're really helpful. And yeah, then I go ahead and put the nails in the boxes. Okay, so do not throw this little spongy thing away. You're going to need that later. So now I'm just getting my nails out and arranging them in the correct sizing order from thumb to pinky. You always want to make sure you have them in the right order so when your customer gets them, they can easily just put them on and they don't have to fiddle around and anything like that. But this customer, all of their nails are pretty much the same size except for the pinkies. So I had free range to, you know, arrange them how I wanted to and what would look the best when you open the box. That's always the goal. So now I'm going to get my double-sided tape and measure out the exact amount of tape I need. I'm trying to waste nothing. And I use double-sided wall mounting tape, you guys. Not that little thin shit, because that's not going to hold anything down. Your nails is going to be all over the place in transit. How satisfying is that? Look at that. That's so satisfying. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the nails on the tape. Again, double-sided wall mounting tape. Check the description box to see exactly which kind that I get. And you can also get this at Walmart. The Gorilla brand is great. So yeah, I'm just putting them on there, and make sure you push the nails into the tape so it's extra secure in there. And I'm telling you, it's not going to go anywhere. So now I'm just making sure they're all nice and straight. And again, here's that squishy stuff you need. That just helps it stay in place more. And if you noticed, I had a little thank you card in there. So now I'm going to get my custom ribbon. And I'm just counting out 25 of the logos because after doing this for the longest time, I know how long I need my stuff to be. So I'm just going to wrap them up. And I learned how to wrap things working at Macy's. Now, I'm left-handed, so anytime I tie stuff, people always tell me I'm tying things backwards. So comment below if this triggers you right-handed people. But, yep, beautiful. Okay, so all my orders come with a pamphlet showing you how to put the nails on, a thank you card with a custom discount code, and their receipt so they know what they got, and the application kits. This person got a cuticle oil, so that's in there too. And then I write the order number on the envelope so I don't mess it up, because I've done that before. And then I go print out the labels, and this is the end result. I hope I helped you guys, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.